Okay, so as you said, notify fire department, never fight a fire alone, always work in pairs with 2 extinguishers. So always have 1 extinguisher and the other person's more or less your backup to get you out. So that's mainly as a NERT volunteer, when you actually got your yellow helmet, your orange vest and all that. So never fight a fire if it's already a large fire, and large fire means starting to get over your head. It's just, if you're scared of it and it's a little too big, then it's too large for you. If it's spread beyond where it started, if it's blocking your escape route, and you're unsure of how to use extinguisher. Now on an extinguisher, well, you'll see this other places too, but there's 4 types of fire, and it's actually going to be on the label. Usually right on the front, right down here. Water type extinguisher, you'll see a lot of times it's a chrome, real big thing like this, holds 2.5 gallons of water. You go 30, 40 feet away is the maximum that but you'd actually want to get closer. And you just, flood it with water. Sometimes you can put your thumb over the tip, over the nozzle, and it kind of fans it out in a pattern. Class B and C, or A, B, and C, they're called dry chemicals. And what it is inside here, this is a BC. This is one you might have in your car. And it's just not used on wood, paper, Class A fires, only on flammable liquids and electrical fires. So that's pretty much what you'd use for your car. But if you can get an ABC, that's the most ideal. It's going to have a pressure gauge. It's going to have a metal handle. And it's going to have a good size rubber nozzle. And of course the label and all that's going to tell you what kind of fire it's for. Okay, so just remember pass. So you want to pull the pin out, okay, aim the nozzle, squeeze the lever. Now don't squeeze it. In Class 6, this happened plenty of times, so I'm telling you now, please don't shoot the instructor in the foot, because when you hold it here and don't squeeze down right, because when you pull that pin and you start squeezing, it's going to shoot down. So just hold it just like that and keep your thumb out of the way, and then aim at the base of the fire. And then when you say sweep, you sweep slowly back and forth, and then move in closer. Don't be afraid. Don't be way back here if the fire's over there. You got to get in there. Get in there and get. The closer you get, the more dry chemical powder you're going to put on the fire, and it will go out faster. So as we said, stay low. Before you enter a room, always feel it with the back of your hand. And then feel the doorknob. See if it's hot. If it is hot and you don't see any smoke or anything, open it real slowly, grab onto that, don't let go of that door handle, open it slowly, take a look inside. If it's a small fire and you can put it out, go ahead and do it. Work in pairs. Like I said, the second person's your backup. If you can't go in there, the fire's too big, close the door up again, and of course, go get more help. Have 2 emergency exits if you can. If okay, there's a fire escape over there and the stairway we just came up, there's your 2 exits,